Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching One to Step YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. So it's pretty simple. So if you guys want to know about all the advantage you guys are going to get making a account in Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, you guys can visit the official website of it, which is CIBC.com. And once you visit over here, you guys can create an account and know all its advantage over there. But this video is not on that. This video is on how you guys can log in into it. So let's get into that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on, shall we? So you want to search for Canada Imperial Bank of Commerce on your search engine over here, just like this. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says CIBC.com over here. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website. Once you're in this website, to sign in into your account, you just want to enter your card number over here. After you enter your card number, you want to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password, you just want to click on sign on. Once you click on register, it's going to create an account for you. But if you guys already have an account, just click on sign on. You should be able to log in into your account. And if you guys forget your password, just click on reset my password. It's going to reset your password or recover your account in another word. All right. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your account. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel. And it's me, Richie Kevin, signing out. See you guys in my next video.